1, 2, man, that shit that got me liberated. I'm smoking on that dope, this shit that got me elevated.
Okay.
I bought my bag off, bought my mama Escalade.
Okay.
You're a rich nigga, you know I'm forever paid. I brought my bag off, I used to sell lemonade. Now my pockets bigger than that nigga Bruce Wayne. Pockets itching, nigga, think I need a new chain. I'm gonna be the biggest rapper, feeling like I'm Lil Wayne. Nigga, I said Lil Wayne. You said Qinxy name 10 times, ain't gon' rain. For the banger back and spot them niggas ain't got new chain. We got other money, tricked up in them new things. GTA like ETA, like nigga, where you at? I'm up at the crib, nigga, with cheddar, I ain't coming back. She is seeing they got DNA up on her fucking back. Dick up in her ribs, nigga, she ain't never coming back. She ain't never coming back. She said, Miles, where you at? I said, baby, chill, relax. Cause honestly, I'm better than your exes, they was whack. I been running to that bag, got no patience. Made it out the basement, it's a celebration. They ask me when I'm dropping, I know that you been waiting. To take her out the cake, cause make her feel appreciated. 1, 2, man, that shit that got me liberated. I'm smoking on that dope, this shit that got me elevated. I brought my bag off, bought my mama Escalade. A young rich nigga, you know I'm forever paid.